Uy, Ramadan! Good morning guys. Welcome to day 1 ng a daily life with me as a Filipino here in Dubai. And yeah, today is Friday and it's 5:30 in the morning here in Dubai. And peaceful, a good sunrise. Wait lang. Maaga na dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito po yung view namin sa sa balcony namin. Dito, ganito po yung namin, morning everyday. Kasi during after kasi may work kami ni Mrs. ng maaga and we have to prepare early for pagkain ni baby. So, morning everyone. Yun guys, napunta tayo and ready na sa trabaho. And ready na rin yung gamit ni baby. I-drop natin sa kanya, sa babysitter niya. Okay lang ba outfit ko guys? Hi guys! Say hi guys! Say hi guys!
Hello!
Guys, i-drop natin si baby sa babysitter niya. So this is our daily pag may pasok kami. So guys, our special guest for today, Miss Nafisa from Pakistan. So guys, na kami. It's our turn. Our both morning shift. Okay. How's your day off? Not enough?
Not enough.
Pasok na naman. So, imagine, this is the morning. Sometimes ganito lang naman yung cloud. Ooh, you look like
Like what?
you look like a sun. Sure side. Nice weather today. Aren't you sick every day we're together? Well, I am.
Sometimes I really need my space.
Okay. Well, for me, I am.
Okay, let's go somewhere.
Sometimes.
Go wherever you want.
Alright. We're getting late. I'll see you later.
See you later.
Antok ka?
Love, don't be late more than 2:30, please.
By the way, guys, it's Ramadan
For
timing.
me, today it's only 5 hours.
It's Friday, no?
I work only at 12:30, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Better pick up Aliana first. So guys, by the way, Ramadan timings. For me, I'm working today 7.5 hours. And for her,
5.
so shameless, 5 hours.
No, because as per the UAE law,
Yeah.
for Muslims on Friday they're only supposed to work 5 hours because their normal time is used by 2 hours and then 2 hours of break for the Friday prayer and everything. So they let us go in 5 hours. So I start my shift 7:30 and 12:30 I'm out. That's just literally, but actually I can't leave that early.
Okay na. Bye-bye na. Alam, you're not allowed to go from behind. Because you're leaving us at 12, no?
Stop, it's just saying. Do you actually think I can leave 12:30?
Oh, just in case.
Well, I'm a person who has to cancel my days off just to come to work.
Yes.
And I can leave in 5 hours. What
I
I
know.
go.
I know. And guys, by the way, she is head chef right now. So I will, guys, Next time, titikman ko yung ano. I mean, I tried before, but I'll show you guys what she's cooking. Like that. Okay, na, bye-bye. Uy, Ramadan! Alright, see you. Bye! So, dyan lang siya guys. Tapos ako naman is few minutes away lang naman. Medyo maganda yung panahon ngayon. Kaya maganda pa yung panahon. Usually guys, during Ramadan is mainit ganun. Pero so far, medyo maaga pa kaya medyo malamig pa. So far, maganda pa yung panahon. Ayan, malamig pa guys, alas 3:30 na. Yun, pero goods na goods pa rin ang panahon. Masarap pa rin maglakad so far. Pero dapat, usually summer na guys eh. Pero hindi ko alam, unpredictable weather. Malamig pa rin. Oh, responsibilities, and I am one of them. Biggest one. How are you today? It's okay, boss. You're earning good, so why not? I did one. Push. What's that?
I'm checking if I'm pretty or not.
What's that? What's on your face?
Prettiness? You cannot say like that. Even in a joke.
Joke lang. So guys, actually 7.5 hours lang dapat kami mag-work, but
You know, I worked like 2 hours overtime today. My 1 hour overtime, it's like 44 dirhams. It's like almost 100 dirham I did. I worked 100 dirhams.
go more. But, yeah, so for you it's late, for me it's not. For me it's thank you. Anyway, I enjoyed today. So guys, it's time for baby. Susunduin na natin si baby guys.
I miss. Daddy.
She will be so madaldal later.
She's so, guys, like in this video, she's so kulit and daldal.
She is so balanced. Kulit and sweet.
Yeah.
She's like that. She's on her stage of understanding and
Emotions.
emotion and understanding and not understanding. Bibdi.
Daddy, I won't go mall.